Hi everyone, welcome back. So in the previous video we have learned about how you can access HTML element by using ID. So in the next we're gonna learn how you can access HTML element by using CSS selector. So CSS provides various selector to select HTML element in the page, and JavaScript can use the same selectors to select and define dynamic functionality. So let's see how this works. Open VS Code and set up your basic HTML structure, and inside of the body we can say we give a division, and inside of this div we give image, and in this image we can give one image, and we can give the width and height. Let's see, 150 pixel, and height also 150 pixel, and we take another division. Inside of this we can create a form. Inside of this form we can give a username, and we can give input type text, and we take another input type button, and ID we can give, let's say, login, and to the image tag we can give class, we can say pick. Okay, let's see how it is showing in our page. Refresh it. So this is our image and this is our form. So right now this is blank, so we can do is we can give the value we can give login. So now you see the login button. Now we want to change this image, and we want to change the login to register. So we can just simply inside of body tag we can give on load, and we can declare a function here like say body load, and now we have to create this function inside of our script tag script, and inside the script we can declare function name body load, and the first we are going to access the image. So you can just simply write document dot query selector. And so in CSS how you access class and ID. So you access class by using dot, and ID you give hash. So now we want to access this image, we have a class pick, so we have to give dot, and what's the class name, pick. And what we want to do, we want the source, we can give the same file, and now we can change the picture. So we have author 2 also. So now let's see what it says. Okay, now see a different picture, right? Okay, next we want to access this login button in which have a value login. So we want to change this to register. Okay, so we can write the same document dot query selector, and this time we use hash because we are using ID login. And what we want to change the value, so value equals to register. So now you can see we got the different image and we got the different value in our button. So this is how you access HTML element by using query selector. So in the next we're gonna learn new technique how you can show output in HTML. So stay tuned, and make sure if you have any doubt or any like query, you just simply write in the comment, and I will reply as soon as possible. And if you did not subscribe yet, so please subscribe, that will help a lot. And if my video will be coming like every day, so try to hit the bell icon so you can get the notification right away so you stay up to date. All right, so see you in the next one.